নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 83। এপিসোড 83 তে আমি দেখাবো আজকে নানান রকম লিনেন বেনারসি আর কটন চান্দেরি বেনারসি। তো এই দুটো প্রোডাক্ট আজকে আমি মূলত দেখাবো, শুধু দেখতে থাকুন এবং প্রত্যেকটা প্রোডাক্ট কিন্তু নিউলি ওভেন। সো আই হোপ ইউ উইল লাইক দ্য প্রোডাক্টস। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, নো বর্ডার, very fine linen Banarasi. Let me tell you, these are not the Bengal linen where we where we have thread counts and all. These are all woven in Banaras. These are dual tone and very lightweight and soft. See, you can see the antique woven zari in this with Meena Buta. It's a lovely shade of burgundy color, dark magenta kind of a color, and it's a very unique color with no border. See, it's just a piping border in rust with all over Meena Buta in big zari butas, in between the big zari buta. This is the pallu part. 3250 rupees. Today all the sarees will be within your budget, will be budget friendly sarees, so that you can, these will be ideal for gifting and for regular wear also. For any semi formal occasions, these are really very nice because these are all, these are woven with lot of we have done a lot of customization in this to give it a very rich look in this range. This is the woven brocade blouse piece, and within 3250 you are getting a lovely brocade blouse piece with which you can wear it other products also. Other sarees will also look nice with this particular blouse piece. So this is the whole this is the linen Banarasi saree, and this is the pallu. 3250, product number 1, episode 83. As you all know, we have two branches in Kolkata. One is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. It's just near the Citizen Park, and we have the menswear, jewelries, clutch bags, dupattas in Katha, and variety of more stocks. There's the tailoring department also. And the other branches near the Baliganj railway station, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both the branches are very close by, but the products are different. For this particular product, you have to send the screenshot to the numbers provided in the link there. There are two numbers, WhatsApp number. Once I confirm the availability, only then I will give you the bank details. Proper GST invoice will be sent along with each product. You are paying it to a business account, so don't worry. You will get the product within 5 to 6 working days, depending on the state where there is lockdown or whatever. So it depends on that, but we are shipping regularly. Maybe initially you will get it in the maybe when you used to get the product within 3 days, maybe now it will be around 5 to 6 days. So 1 or 2 days delay, otherwise we are shipping regularly, so we are not facing any problem as of now. 3250, product number 2. It's a dual tone of orangish pink color. 3250, product number 2. This is also linen Banarasi. Product number 3 in Rani color. These are all no border, very smart looking lightweight sarees. Phone calls will not be attended, only screenshot message. You have to send the screenshot of the product, and first come first serve basis. Once we confirm your order, we will give you the bank details. After transfer, along with shipping charges, we will courier it to you in your given destination. This is the blouse piece for this. Again, a beautiful brocade blouse piece. This is the saree. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata. This is the Rani color. Dual tone Rani color, very nice, comfortable products, and ideal for gifting also, as I said, for Totto, for giving for anniversaries to parents. It's a for sisters also. These are very nice products. You can do these collection for the pujas also. See, it's a purple tone. Product number 4, purple color, 3250 only, but the look is really grand because of the combination and the antique zari buta. You have to like, share and subscribe, and once you subscribe the channel, Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube channel, once you subscribe, you will get the regular notifications. This is the sari, and since it has no border, I have given very rich blouse, brocade blouse in contrast, woven blouse. You have to give lining with this. We have the tailoring unit. We can do the tailoring. Once we receive the proper measurements, we can send you the pattern for the measurements. Now comes a different type of a sari with the border, linen Banarasi with border, product number 5. This is Meena border, again antique zari, and the color is a very different, unique color. It's rustish maroon color. Or since most of the saris are dual tone, so there will be a 19-20 difference in the colors. See, lovely butas, all over big buta, and this is the matte finish border in purple and grey combination. This is the pallu. Product number 5, 3,990 rupees, 3,990. Lightweight, soft, very comfortable, and of course the look is also very rich because I'll show you the blouse piece. This too has a very beautiful woven brocade blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece in this range. Within 4,000 you are getting a grand rich look blouse piece. This is the sari. Extremely gorgeous. These in Dupion silk which we show, more or less the same concept, but those are in Dupion silk. So those are above 12,000 range. So more or less these are, we've just done the similar kind of design but in linen. So cotton linen, and this is the border for this. Just see the intricately woven border. This is the back side of the border. This is the butas. It's an olive green with blue combination. It's a beautiful shade, very unique combination. We have more colors. We have shown more colors in little different butas in previous linen episodes. Just see the blouse piece for this also. This is the blouse piece for this. This is the sari. Each product I open and show. I show you closely the product, so it's not possible to send again screenshots of the product. So please check the video properly, and once you are convinced, only then you do the booking. In spite of being locked down in so many states, and most of the weavers are not from West Bengal, most of them are from other states, so but still we are managing to show you these uncommon pieces. I don't know how long, but these were on the process, and over the time I'm receiving these products once they have finished weaving. 3990. It's a beautiful shade of burgundy color, dark burgundy color, and it's a matte finish. Sorry, it's a dual tone, light and deep burgundy mixed, textured. This is the turquoise blue blouse piece. So see the combination burgundy and turquoise, very uncommon. Pallu, 3,990 rupees. Now comes product number 8. It's a mustard rust tone color with blue combination. See the border, pallu, mainly the combination. If the combination strikes and then it looks very good on a wedding, the combination is very important, because usually the red and yellow, green and yellows, these are common combinations in Banarasi, but these are very uncommon ones which we've woven in these linen ones. This is in blue blouse piece, royal blue, so it's rustish mustard with royal blue. And especially with this lovely brocade blouse, it's really uncommon. Product number 9, turquoise, and what would I say this color? It's a wine color, you can say. Dark maroon, rich maroonish wine color with again a contrast border. Pallu in turquoise and blue, 3990. Each combination is different and each combination is unique, because these earthy tone colors, actually not the, I wouldn't say these are earthy tones, but these very rare unique color where you can't even exactly tell which color it is. This is the blouse piece. So these we do lot of experimentation, and then we, this is the pallu. After lot of experimentation, these colors we create and then we give for weaving. This is somewhat like what I am wearing. Product number 10, linen gamcha check Banarasi, border pallu concept, very smart look, very chic, very fashionable sari. You can style it very well. You can make front sleek border also, pallu, sleek pallu. This is price rupees 3990. I'll just check the price once more. This is 3500, 3500, 3500 only. Product number 10 in green and blue checks. This is the border and this is the blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece again with this sari. This is the blouse piece. Very smart look. I too have this blue color also. This is without boota, the one which I had with booty. This is without booty. Now this is the new one that I've done. See, 3500 rupees, green and blue checkered gamcha check linen with Banarasi woven border, and only 3500. So the one that I am wearing is a similar one in yellow, red and rani checks gamcha check with again red Banarasi woven border. This is the pallu. Very smart looking sari and very comfortable, and this has this blouse piece also with this. This is the brocade blouse that will get with this sari, and this is also price rupees 3500 rupees, 3500. This is the sari, and the neck piece, the long lovely neck piece that I am wearing, we usually call this motor har in Bengali, but it has the filigree jal this design in this in each ball. It can be lengthened also because there is the tassel there, and you will get this lovely pair of earrings with this. The whole set is 3200, 3200, the whole set 3200. The neck piece along with the jhumko, the earrings. 3,200, and the price, sari price I already told you, it is 3,500. Black and red gamcha check linen. The border is different than the other border. Those were with florals. This is in temple border. Lightweight, very smart looking sari, and again see the lovely rich brocade blouse. Rich blouse, all antique zari. Very fashionable. You can make sleeveless blouse, you can make a corset blouse with these also. Now I'll come to Chanderi. Now these are cotton Chanderi Banarasi with zari weave. See, these are, we love these saris because it gives a Maheshwari look and in a very reasonable range also. See, the whole sari will have this fine zari stripe. This is the border. It's in dark royal blue, deep royal blue, and price only 2,990 rupees, product 12, 2,990. It's a solid color, it's in monotone. I'll just show you. It's a very, just see, you can wear it mix and match with printed blouse. You can wear your shirts with this. You can, wear strapless, strappy blouses also. These look very, very smart in whatever way you wear this. You can wear contrast like red, magenta, gold, anything. And this blouse piece is also, see, this is the blouse piece. The actual blouse piece is also so rich. This is the sari. Only 2,990 rupees, and you will love the fabric. All Chanderi Banarasi, lightweight, soft. Yes, the blouse will need lining because it's brocade, and extremely fashionable. Okay, now there is another color, product number 13. It's, I would say, mud color. It's grayish brown color, so it's obvious it's a mud kind of a color. It's a very elegant color. You can wear it with black also. Bottle green will look nice. 2,990 rupees only. This is the pallu of the product. I'll show you closely. This is the stripes. Zari, fine zari stripe. This is the border pallu. Upper part will not have the teardrop design, only the border part. The lower part will have the teardrop motif. See, this is the whole sari, and now here comes the black brocade rich blouse piece. Very limited stock, so please be sure when you are booking. And again, let me tell you, it's first come first serve basis. You have to take the screenshot of the product along with the description. If you want to see most products of similar type, just check on our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page and the Insta page. The link of both is already given in the description part. You can just click on the link and like the page, Sanskriti Kolkata, where there are albums. These saris will be uploaded in the albums mentioned, like Chanderi Banarasi, Linen Banarasi, the saris within 4,000. These are the albums where these will be uploaded. You can check out more options, more designs in those photo albums. So this is in checks. That was in stripe. This is in checks with narrow border, narrow zari border, and this color is Rama green color. 3250, 3250 rupees, product number 14, 3250. This is the whole sari. See the color, and this is the blouse piece. This is also in monotone. But very rich look. 3250, check linen, check Chanderi Banarasi. And let me show you few more colors. I will not be opening them. The previous 2990 that I had shown, I have only one piece of these two colors of the same sari. I don't have any numbers for this. Only just check out these two colors, which will be available in the stripes that I showed first, the previous two stripe Chanderi that I showed. These two colors are available, magenta and black, and both are priced rupees 2990. Magenta and black 2990. The previous two colored I showed, this is another two color, but both are single piece. Now coming to the checks again, product number 15. Here is jet black and gold combination, our very favorite combination, black and gold. 3250, check Chanderi Banarasi. It's a very rich look sari, very rich combination of course, and with this brocade blouse piece in this range. 3250 with brocade woven blouse piece. Just see the blouse. This is the back part. This is the front part of the blouse. This is the sari. Only 3250 rupees, check Chanderi. Now again let me show you few colors in check Chanderi. I will not be opening it since these are one piece. I'll just show you like this. This is in royal blue. I have another color in slate color. Royal blue and slate color. Same sari, 3250, royal blue and slate color. One piece. Just take the screenshot. I'll later show you the pictures if you want of these, which I'm not opening, but this is the colors. See, one is in olive green. It's a light olive green color, and one is Rani. Olive and Rani. Two colors, more two colors, olive and Rani. All shades are very smart shades. Ideal for gifting, wedding purpose also. And the last one is red. I have one red also. This is in red. Beautiful red. Okay, now I'll show you few Chanderi Banarasi in printing, and it has jacquard weaving. All, see, today whatever sari I have showed you, all within 4,000. This is, I'll explain it to you what it is. It's a very soft Chanderi Jamewar woven Banarasi, very soft. Of course, it's blended because within 4,000 you will not get this in pure silk. It is blended silk, but it's very soft, very lightweight, and all over it is woven. It's zari woven all over, but it is not loud. It's very matte, and see the back side. See the back side, you can understand the zari weave, but it's not a single thread is out. See, it's tissue woven, but not at all see-through. Very loud. It's a very uncommon and gorgeous look sari. Purple and orange combination with digital printing. Purple orange with digital printing. I have shown before also these kind in different prints, and we had got very good response, so we've made this print again in different print, in different combination. This is the blouse piece, the brocade orange blouse. So all saris today I've shown you brocade blouses. All the sarees are within 4,000 range, but at the same time they are very rich look. See, this is in sea green and sky blue color combination. Okay, let me tell you the price. This is product number 173990, 3,990 rupees. Soft, lightweight, but you know, you get that rich feel because it has a gold effect, but at the same time this tone on tone color, sea green with sky blue, more or less tone on tone color, but it gives a very gorgeous look, a different look. Very soft and very lightweight, so much of zari weave, but I don't know how they do this, but it's beautiful. This is the blouse piece. First these are woven and then printed, then polished, then cutting. There's a lot of process that goes behind each product. Product number 18, orange, lovely shade orange with block print in mustard and off-white color. In small gatherings where you need to wear something rich, pocket friendly sarees, even for gifting, these will be very, very nice. This is the blouse piece. Especially during gifting, wedding and all, this is your budget friendly and at the same time it is traditional. 3990. Okay, those were with printing. These are without printing, only woven. Bottle green and red. Again, soft, lightweight. Bottle green, red combination. Whole sari will be jacquard, jamewar woven in zari. This combination is also very smart looking because it's dark bottle green with red, and of course it will have this red brocade blouse piece with the border. This is the blouse piece. Pallu. This is the sari. Very nice, very smart looking combination. 3990 again, 3,990 rupees. Just the opposite combination. Red body with bottle green border. So without black traditional sari, this is also very pretty. Red body, bottle green border, woven border. These are in light gold, not light gold, gold weave. This is the, again, brocade blouse, bottle green brocade blouse, and this is the and the last one, green and yellow. Product number 21, green and yellow. This is also woven. I'm sure you can see the weave. This is the border. This is the pallu. For haldi ceremony, this is also a very nice one. For any, as I told you, for wedding gifts and also for anniversary gifts. This is beautiful. 3,990 rupees only. Jamewar Jacquard Banarasi Chanderi. This is the blouse piece. This is the pallu. Do keep watching the videos. I really appreciate your support, and once you subscribe you will get regular notifications, and of course first come first serve basis. Thank you. Namaskar, সবাই ভালো থাকবেন।